Hey everyone, thanks for being here. Every AI agent needs context. The question is, how do you give agent your company's documents without building a retrieval system from scratch? That's what Knowledge Base as a Service solves, and it's now built right into Azure Logic Apps. Most enterprise data is unstructured. RAG unlocks it, but it's genuinely complex to build. You're standing up two pipelines. On ingestion, you chunk, embed, and load into a vector store. On retrieval, you embed the query, search, and pull back context. Both have to be built, tuned, and maintained, and every piece can break. For most teams, that's a real project. Here is the good news. This is now a managed capability inside Azure Logic Apps. You bring your documents, we turn them into a knowledge base, and your agent just talks to it. We handle everything from those two pipelines so that you focus on building a personalized and grounded agent. Let's see how this works. Here we are in a Logic app where we'll set up a knowledge base and then use it from an agent in a workflow. The knowledge base is scoped at the app level, so you can share it across workflows in the same app. Before you start, there's a one-time setup. This capability is built on Cosmos DB as the vector store and uses Azure OpenAI for models. That's what we configure here. You connect the knowledge base to a Cosmos DB instance, then provide model for embedding generation and another for chat completions. Here's an app where I've already completed that setup. Once configured, you can add files to your knowledge base and organize them into groups. The groups are the unit of reference from an agent, so you can logically group your files based on the scenario and desired outcome. When you upload a file, you choose the group it belongs to and add metadata like name and description. Since each file goes through tokenization, chunking, and embedding, we show the status so you know when it's ready to use. Here's a workflow with an agent that classifies incoming documents, and if it's a contract, then validates against the organization's approval rules and policies. Naturally, it needs to be grounded in those rules. In the agent, you'll see a knowledge section. The connection is already set up. Here you select the specific knowledge group you want to make available to the agent, and you can also add files directly from this view. Below that are the instructions guiding the agent's behavior. Behind the scenes, the agent performs semantic search and retrieval against your knowledge group based on the query. What would normally take significant effort to build as a custom ingestion and retrieval pipeline is fully handled for you. We have uploaded a document classification guide and contract processing guide for this scenario. Let's run the workflow with a sample contract. In the run history, you'll see the agents first classified the document and identified as a contract. It then went through the contract validation steps. All the agent processing and responses are grounded in the classification and validation document, with references to knowledge surfaced in both the agent chat and the run history. The agent node also shows the specific knowledge group that was used along with token utilization, so you can track usage. And that's knowledge in Logic Apps. Now available in public preview. Give it a try and bring your organization's documents into your agents without writing a single line of pipeline code.